my name is Miran Pešič, they call me Pešo, and I have, as you see, workplace here in Metelkova. Why I'm here is because after Yugoslavia fall apart, there were many army places empty, and this is one of them. And we were, from the beginning, have an interest to be here, not a sort of like a squad, but just to have a place where we can work. After a while, government gave us a permission so we can stay here. Electricity was restored, water was restored, and I'm already here, I think, 20-25 years, which is quite a long period. And during this time, I was developing myself in the handcraft, sort of doing things out of wood, a little bit out of steel, but generally I'm working from the wood. The Metelkova is a very fine place for me because generally very accessible for people who are not, let's say, deep in business. So we are not producing a lot of money. We are producing enough for living. So this place gives us a sort of shelter in artistic way and in economic way.
Hello, my name is Mohar and I do sculptures and graphics. This is migraine. It's an expression of migraine when you have a headache. It feels like the head will explode. I sell most of these sex bombs, and it's Willendorf Venera, and I made it like a grenade, so it's a sex bomb. This is kind of a really old piece, like 30,000 years or so.
Hello, I am Jernej Škof and I am coordinator of Club Tiffany and Cultural Center Q, which is based in Autonomous Cultural Center of Metelkova. We are a LGBT clubbing space, community center and a project space bringing together LGBT community in Slovenia. Especially focused on cultural production.
My name is Sebastian Krawczyk. I'm working at Alcatraz Gallery within Metelkova Mesto Autonomous Cultural Center. We have approximately 10 to 12 exhibitions a year. We see art as a tool that can help to say something about the world and to maybe set up some questions and try to change it in some way. We invite social involved art that has to say a lot about the phenomena of the contemporary world. And we think by inviting this kind of art and opening up a dialogue about the things that are happening around us, we can set up a critical dialogue, and this can help to maybe to spread something that maybe I can call an open citizenship and creating a different, way of looking at the world.
Hi, I am Grobler. I'm the artistic director of Alcatraz Gallery, which is managed by KUD Mreža Association. I am involved with the Red Dawns Festival, so that's International Feminist and Queer Festival Red Dawns. The main thing was to show artists and lecturers and other performers that they were not shown anywhere else. So when the topics like feminism and queer were not discussed so much in the general public or in the bigger, larger galleries. And it's a very nice community that is supportive of each member as it can be.
Hello, my name is Špela and I'm part of Jala Jala crew for 13 years. In Jala Jala, which is one of the few clubs at Metelkova, we try to organize different events based on the DIY principles. We organize various programs from exhibitions to bike and sewing workshops, different performances, music concerts, DJ events. I'm really happy to be part of this scene because Metelkova is really diverse. I like this kind of involvement in the subcultures and also in the underground scene, which is not based on capitalism, on money and stuff like this. And I think this is like really important, especially in the times like now when the globalization and money is involved in all the parts of human life.
I'm Aleks, I work in Jala, I'm part of the Jala team. They're amazing people and I like what they stand for, you know, they don't judge, everybody is welcome as long as you're nice, you know, and a decent person.
Odprem oči in vstopim v matrico.
Hi, my name is Matej Bizovičar. I'm here on Metelkova since beginning. That will be since 1993. I'm one of a few guys who actually spotted the place. I'm having a studio here all this time. More or less, I'm working here with a friend of mine. He's a painter. I'm a painter as well, but mostly I'm doing sculptures and outside layouts. There is another big project we used to make. It's We made from an ex-prison, we made a youth hostel, which is called Celica. It's one of the projects I've been deeply involved, and I still am. So I'm still doing something in that field. And that would be it, I think. Yeah.